Hi guys, welcome back to In Case of Econ Struggles and welcome to another Sunday Stata tip. Today we're talking about the assert command. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. So I've set up this do file. This do file is very similar to do files we've used on previous videos. And we're going to be really focused on this assert part right in here. So the assert command will basically tell you if something you think is true is actually true. So what's going to happen is I'm going to put this assert command. I'm going to assert that miles per gallon in this auto data is less than 35 for all records. If it is, then my do file will keep working and it'll run this sum. If not, this will stop the do file. So let's go ahead and select everything, Control D for run. And you can see that it said, well, you've got 3 contradictions and 74 observations. That just means that there are 3 observations for which miles per gallon is greater than 35. So maybe we don't want any cars that have a MPG higher than 35. So we can say drop if MPG is greater than or equal to 35. So I'll run that. And then I'll run this same assert command again. So let's run this assert. And now you can see that the do file kept running. So if we were to run this entire do file, it would run the assert. Stata would be like, yes, miles per gallon is less than 35 for every observation. So keep going. And we ran the command after that assert. Now, this is a very simple example using the assert command, but I still think it's useful. If it was, make sure to like and subscribe. If it's not, leave a comment below, and we will see you next week for another Sunday Stata tip.